Christmas lights can turn mundane into magic. But if the thought of decorating your home or business for the holidays feels daunting, you're not alone. Tangled lights, frozen fingers, and dozens of trips up and down the old ladder are enough to make anyone quit before they start. At Revive Holiday Lighting, we know how labor-intensive decorating your home can be, especially in an already busy season. That's why we install custom-fit, premium LED lights on your property for you. We start with a design consult to capture your vision. Then, our experienced crews install professional-grade lights cut just for your home or business. Finally, around mid-January, we'll remove the lights and store them away in our climate-controlled facility until next year. So don't wait to request a quote. Our elves are in high demand, and we want to get you on our schedule to enjoy as much of the season as possible. Because Christmas is coming, and nothing should stand in the way of your holiday cheer.